This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976.
All right, so on my way home after week 2, and I got to work with the trumpet players this week. We broke out into sectionals, and we're in different parts of the building. So with the trumpet players, we reviewed everything that we talked about last week. So how to take the instrument out of the case, how to assemble it, and hold it in proper posture. We did standing up, not sitting down, because I think that's a little less complicated at this stage of the game. And then we were working out the Traditions of Excellence book, and we did, was page 4, exercises 1 through 5, which are the first 3 notes, which are C, D, and E. And so one of the things I was really trying to impart upon the kids was to hear the note in your head before you play it, because that is how you're going to get the right note. Well, we're building up muscle memory here. So many notes are played the exact same way on the trumpet, since there's only 7 different valve combinations, that if you don't hear it in your head first, you're really putting yourself at a disadvantage versus if you can get it ingrained in your head and then generate it using your lips. And then after we did those exercises, we took apart the trumpet, took all the valves out, and I showed them how to use a valve casing rod and brush to clean out the valves and then oil them, and then using snakes and grease to take care of the slides. So we did the beginnings of the foundational kind of playing, but also some important maintenance stuff, and then reinforce the things from last week. So very productive, a lot of information, and I'm looking forward to doing some more of this next Tuesday.
If you need help with instruments, repairs, sheet music, or anything band or orchestra, reach out to us at boomermusiccompany.com. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our e-newsletter so you will never miss another video or podcast. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company. Thank you for listening.